Okay. Any positive message that we can get from you in this time? I know there's a lot of, you know, heartbreaks and there's a lot going on. But there has to be, because I know we have been talking about realistically what is happening. But from you, I would like something that gives hope to people. What message can you give? Anything that you have found in your all this, what's happening, that you have said, oh, this is what I would like to say.
Yeah. One of the things I'm seeing is that we are learning, and the people around me, we're learning how we love well. And what I mean by that is, what is it like to be still and to be present with our loved ones, to listen deeply to their words when somebody is talking to us, to give us their attention, to give them our attention, and to ask for their attention in return. There's a teacher that I follow who says, the most healing power in the universe is the power of love, and I believe that absolutely. So how can I love more deeply, more authentically, with more kindness, even in very small ways? It doesn't have to be the big grand gestures.
Yeah.
It can be praying for my friends.
That's true.
Right? It can be walking past their house and praying a blessing over their home. It can be checking in by text, by phone. It can be offering something in one of my Facebook groups. Here's a thing I can offer. It can be so many things. It can be my kids were sitting out in the yard and cutting up carrots and celery and a bowl of hummus to bring them something outside, right? But to cut it with love and with intention versus they have to eat lunch. Let me get this through this so I can go do my thing, right? Like bringing that spirit of love. There's something profound that we can discover about ourselves by becoming intimate with our hearts in that way.
I want to add to that. And your effort to try to come online with me today with all the hindrances that were coming in, and like, oops, I have this meeting, and oops, this is going on, and oops, this, and after all this, and 3 hours difference, like, okay, so you made it. So that shows that you're caring. I was like, okay, this woman is just, after me. Let me get done with this.
No, it was my joy. It is my joy.
I know. It was like, okay, is this going to happen today or not? Because, so I know.
And we did. We can do hard things.
I know. I know. Thank you.